ocean turtle, the tortoise and the terrapin too. We're all hanging out at the local zoo. The turtle in a tank, the tortoise in the sand, and the terrapin moving between the water and the land. Oh, a tale that's true, the ocean turtle, the tortoise and the terrapin too. The turtle told the tortoise, hey, come in for a swim, but the tortoise told the turtle, a swim would do him in. I haven't got the flippers that you got between your toes, and I don't eat the plants that the salty sea grows. Oh, a tale that's true, the ocean turtle, the tortoise and the terrapin too.
So this lateral line symmetry helps him feel what's around them in the water. So there's actually an organ that all the fish have.
The reason it has this tail is not for really much of anything. It's only used to turn itself over.
Bear Island 3.5 miles long and about a half mile wide. Got 1,000 acres in it. It has a lot of deer, some deer. It has horseflies, turtles, but it doesn't have any bear.
The terrapin said to his friends with a grin, we ought to try being where the other one's been. The world is full of wonders Mother Nature gives, and we ought to try seeing how the other half lives. Oh, a tale that's true, the ocean turtle, the tortoise and the terrapin too. Oh, a tale that's true, the ocean turtle, the tortoise and the terrapin